All right, we are live. Let me just post that we are live. um, What's good? Good morning. Good morning. Welcome in. What are you looking for? I'm gonna break that down once everybody kind of joins in for a little bit. We'll break down exactly what I'm looking at. Good morning, bro. I didn't sleep. I did not sleep. To be honest. It's all good though. We're chilling, rocking it. Good morning. Good morning. How's everyone doing? What's good, Sway? Good to see you, bro. Did you guys take anything in the overnight? Did you bank overnight? I took a short. I got stopped on the short, and then I flipped long. I'll explain it as well. What exactly I took. It was a pretty good take, and then we had some kind of news pump or some shit, literally in one candle. I'll explain when more people join up. Just gonna give people time to join. It's a little bit early still. We're not longs paid. Requesting get a W, bro. Good stuff. My hair is cooked right now. Market been respecting OTE. Bro, yeah, with these ranges, to be honest, I had a pretty premium long, but I had conviction in these highs, so I'll explain it again, but I'll do it for now. So we had this BPR that I saw flipped, right? We had this BPR area that invalidated up through here. When we got this retracement on the 1 minute, so if I go back here, this is where I took my long. I don't typically take entries like this, but I had such high conviction in this draw to be met. I took a jab on ES specifically, and then I had a stop at this invalidation here, targeting these highs, something like this. I believe I had like CE of this gap. And that was it. Honestly, it just kind of chopped around a little bit, and then we got like a news candle. It just went straight to TP. That was it. And I closed out here on this push here just due to the fact that we took the NQ high. So I didn't play around with that. I just got out because I saw like this immediate pump. I mean, this is like a 100-point pump out of nowhere. So that's where I closed. And then now I'm sitting on my accounts break even from that. But for right now, I think going into this AM session, I honestly want to see how this 4 hour can close. We have a pretty aggressive bounce here. I do think we can get some continuation higher. In terms of the overnight short that I took, we took it on live in London. We saw this inversion on the 15-minute on ES. It was this one here. And I liked this internal low to be met. We had our stops just above here. And then I really want to see this internal on ES get met and then have a deeper drive into that gap to target lower. But that's what we took. We got stopped out on this, and then I flipped long into these highs because I had pretty high conviction at that point. But yeah, I appreciate you. Well, that was it. I mean, nothing really too crazy. Overnight was kind of slow, kind of choppy. It was hard to kind of work off anything to the left. That's why I kind of had to nitpick like some kind of entry, which was off this BPR invalidation and the retracement, and that's it. Anyone else take anything overnight or no? I'm gonna have banners and stuff done pretty soon here. I'm working on getting that stuff done. So we'll make the stream look super, super nice. But I want to start streaming on YouTube more. So if you guys didn't leave a like, I appreciate it. Have you guys seen that TJR content with that one dude? That shit is so comedy. I keep seeing all the clips. That's such a W-ass move. Yo, what's good, SL? We back at it again, baby. We back at it again. Space, what's good, bro? How are you? Oh shit, you took a trade. Yeah, I did. I did take a long. I flipped. I was explaining before. We saw this BPR invalidate, which again, since we weren't working with much to the left, I saw this BPR that we had invalidate, and then I was kind of nitpicking an entry. So once I saw this kind of retrace and kind of hold this area, I had high conviction in these highs to get met since we started displacing and structure was building, and then we had some kind of news pump just come in, and then once NQ took the high, I closed. I didn't sleep either, bro, not at all. Monoli face cam W. But yeah, now I'm sitting break even on the day or session, whatever. Yeah, I didn't sleep one bit. It's all good. I'm honestly probably gonna take like a good 3-4 hour sleep, I think, after this trading session, and then try and fix my sleep schedule because it's so fucking cooked. Like, bro, yesterday I think I went to bed at like 12 in the afternoon. Like, that's not fucking normal. Like I said, for people just join, I'm honestly looking for this 4 hour, how we want to close. If we want to close above it or kind of reject off this gap, off the opening range move, that's what I'm really going to be paying attention to. But I am anticipating this to probably inverse and come for these relative equal highs, is what I want to see. That's really what I'm looking at. Let's get some music going, bro. Should we bring out the Desi play? Who got a good ass playlist that I could play on YouTube? Someone send a link over. Bro, because that shit was the hookah lounge music that Desi sent me, bro. That shit was putting me to sleep. What's good, D Grimes, bro? How are you? Let's have a banger morning session. Hopefully we get some good price action. D Grimes, how you been, bro? You been kind of quiet in the Discord. I've seen some faces. Strate hasn't been around a little bit. Oh, we got the big Moski in the chat. What's good, bro? What's good? What's good? What's good? I should probably share this on Twitter that I'm live. Let's get it, baby. Let's get it. All right, Moski, do you got like a good like chill playlist that I could play this and like not copyright? I mean, I think it could be somewhat copyright if that makes sense. Can't be playing Little Baby on the fucking stream, but I don't need music that puts me to sleep either. Mm. The only thing I can't stand about this setup is I'm literally on a like glass table. I'm literally on a dining room set right now with two monitors and everything. Like this shit is like too high. Like my arms are like positioned weird. All right, we got how many? 15 minutes to open. 14 minutes. Mm-mm-mm. Mm-mm-mm. What are our predictions? Do we close green or red on the day? What do we think? I'm thinking we gotta move up and then close back in the range and close pretty flat. What do we think? Green or red? I think we run up and then reject to go red. That's what I'm thinking. I think we can get a good move up, continue, and then close back the day in the range. I think is what I'm thinking. I just don't know. If we inverse this 4 hour, I do think we could come for these relative equal highs again. I mean, it's like 0.5%. Yeah, I think it's pretty reasonable, to be honest. Like, if we get this move back up, if we inverse this 4 hour, I'm going to be anticipating these equal highs. If we reject this area, then I'm going to be looking to target probably the overnight lows is really what I'm going to be looking for if we can really start to slam down. We have this nice 15-minute gap that we opened up as well, which could be good for our opening range move. 4-hour BPR above Monday highs. Are you talking about just up here? Yeah. That's somewhere we can reach for. That's what I'm really anticipating. All things considered, just how overnight price has been moving since London, we're just probably going to get a retrace and then start to continue. Close this 4 hour above. We shall see. Oh my god, my fucking alarm, bro. Nine minutes. Let's get it. I'm gonna cop, I think, Tradeify accounts this week. Are they running a sale? Does anybody know? It's not. It's only 30%. I need 40%, man. I'm freaking greedy, bro. Those accounts are expensive, select accounts. Give me 1 second. We already moved 430 points. Yup. We're red almost like 1% on the day. I mean, our opening price was here. We were down like almost 1%. Yeah, 1% to be exact. Five minutes, baby. Let's see. What time is it? Two minutes to the open here. Let's see. Let's see. We have a pretty strong opening move here. Oh my god, what the fuck? Is a 100-point candle right off the open. Out of a 15-minute gap. Oh my god, it's time to go to sleep. Jeez, this is volatile. What the fuck? $100-point candle off the open is crazy. Shit was like a CPI print. Really look like a CPI candle. Yo, what's good, Cinch? You wanna hop on VC, Cinch? Since you missed the London one? Motherfucker went to sleep on me, bro. Just knows a bit. Yeah, Bitcoin has been climbing a little bit. Same with Sol, I think. This is crazy. 100-point candle opening like this. This might be. I'll add you to the call. Yo. I cannot hear you. Some odd reason.
Yo.
Yeah. What's good?
So, my bad, I knocked out.
Oh,
I set an
you
alarm.
good.
I don't even know what happened. But
You good, you good. I took that long scalp to highs at open. W, bro.
oh, you already got it?
No, someone in the chat space.
Oh, okay.
Bro, did you see the long that I took a short and I got stopped out with Ruben on the 15-minute inversion downside, and then I flipped. I told you, I think this 5-minute BPR that invalidated. I found an entry on the one, longed it, and we literally had like
a news candle,
news
right?
pump, bro. Finally, a news pump in my direction, bro. In my direction. I've
Dude.
been waiting for my time, bro. And of course, I didn't have size on, bro. Of course, I didn't have size on.
Not. Damn.
Bro, you know how good
Dude,
it
yeah,
is
I don't know.
to be in an overnight session and there's a news candle that comes out and goes your way? Do you know what? That's like
Because it's gonna trend, bro.
Oh my god, it's like rolling dice. It's like that,
Yeah,
bro.
it probably feels amazing, bro.
Oh my god, I literally entered the position. I walked away for 3 minutes. I came back and I was like, why the fuck are we popping like this? And then all of a sudden I see like 3 candles that follow it. And I'm like, we'll go right to TP. I was about to just set the limits and go sleep for a little bit. I was like, damn, bro.
Yeah.
Oh, this is a strong.
Yeah, that
move
shit
on that
feels
one.
good, bro.
I'm break even now. I'm at least
I
sitting
wish like
$18 in the green right now.
I wish during Trump tariffs, bro, like he would just like bless us, like bias us lower, and then he says something bad, bro. Like,
Oh my god.
it, but it wasn't that way. I remember. I wasn't even here for that.
Oh yeah, I remember. Weren't you in Colombia?
Yeah, I was in Cuba.
Oh, Cuba.
Yeah, just watching all my altcoins get fucking
Oh, I
destroyed,
remember. I
dude.
remember.
I couldn't even see it, bro. Like I could see the chart, but I couldn't see my positions. Like it was banned in Cuba or some shit.
Yeah, bro.
Okay.
Dude, ES is lagging pretty hard here.
Yeah.
I think I'm gonna wait for this 4-hour close. We get this 4-hour close. I'm gonna look for these relative equal highs. We need to see ES close over this gap and start to correlate a little bit better because this is not good. At least we have this 15-minute gap that now we put in and we respect it. So if this flips back down, this could give us this could be some kind of Judas swing.
Yeah.
And then we can start to look to play downside if that really starts to come in. But
Dude, unfortunately, it kind of looks like it's gonna be a weird day for sure.
oh yeah.
ES is kind of whack-a-mole, huh?
Yeah, ES is being a little weird.
Truthfully, bro, like if we're thinking about it, bro, we should just be slamming shorts with the SMT. But I'll be right back. I gotta go.
Alright.
Poop poop.
Bro, there's music. I can't. Deadass feels like I'm in Barseco in fucking Miami at a hookah lounge, bro. Like I can't make that shit up. Like that's deadass what this music got me feeling like. I don't know how Desi listens to this. $9:30 open been crazy. Yeah, I know. I don't usually trade the open or before the open to be honest, because I really wait for like some kind of range break after the first 30 and play continuation off that or 10 a.m. reversal. But those moves have been kind of insane. ES is lagging hard here. Or ES is just not correlating. I really want to see this 4-hour candle be really clear of where this next one wants to go. Damn, we got 11 likes on the stream. Like up the stream. Let's go. 12 likes. W. Wait until I get more comfortable streaming and I get used to like the setup and everything. Especially when I go back home. I'm at my own setup and my own, PC. I gotta get used to streaming. Unit BNB. Hold on. Yeah, this is like a B&B, but I got it like off Airbnb. Like prices, so I'm paying like normal rent prices here instead of Airbnb inflated ass prices. I got a good deal for 3 months. It's like 1,000 a month, which is not bad. 1,000 euros is like 1,200 bucks for like a two bedroom, full size living room, very big size kitchen.
See, bro, like, what did I tell you, bro? Just like, oh, yeah,
Let's see,
just take my
bro.
own alerts.
I don't like that they're not correlating so well.
Yeah, it's not at all. Strange. Strange
3,600
is
for
kind of ass.
3 months. Yep. It is Greece though, so it is, obviously gonna be cheaper, but 1,200. I'll tell you this: 1,000 euros a month rent here is expensive. This shit is like bougie.
How much is 1,000? It's like 1,200
Yeah,
in
yeah,
dollars.
yeah.
Damn,
1,000.
that's like an apartment here. That's a one bedroom.
Yeah, exactly.
Fuck.
Bro, and the house is hella nice. Like maybe I'll record like a video or something. And show you guys. It's pretty good. And I'm on the 5th floor.
Big bro.
Yeah, it's hella good. Bro, yeah, Miami, you just spend so much, bro. At Miami, I was spending like fucking couple $100 a day on fucking just bullshit.
Food, bro. Like
Food and
you
drinks.
spend like
Hookah's
$200-$300 on fucking food, bro.
Hookah's $100, bro, for what? I went to hookah lounge like 7 times, bro. I spent like $700 in a week at a hookah lounge. I'm not even joking. I'll pull up the fucking statements. It's actually crazy.
Yeah,
It was right around the corner.
How much?
from-
How much are they usually? Like they're like $60, bro.
Oh, bro.
Like $50 for a
Even-
medium one.
Oh, yeah. I mean, bro, even cheaper if you go to like somewhere that's more local.
Yeah.
Bro, but that's OD. Like, we're talking about just a fucking, like, shit hookah, too. We're not even talking about, like, a good one. We're talking about, like, just a shit one. Something like that. Just a certain website you used to book long. No, bro. You gotta, honestly, it's all about connects, or you gotta straight up go in off seasons, find Airbnb listings, and just talk. Talk with the owner, and see what you could do, or if they know anybody, or if they have any separate properties. It's really join. Honestly, this is a little bit weird, but join like Facebook groups for the places you're trying to visit. Like they have like rentals that they're short-term rentals that they post. You could find pretty good
It's
prices.
not weird
on
at all. Not weird at all. To be honest, key to this world and anything is just putting yourself out there. Like join a Facebook group, like being the one
Your
asking. Like,
voice
hey,
is hella robotic for some reason.
yeah. Alright.
I don't know why. But that's my advice is just go. You gotta just try and get in contact with people there, and that's it.
Can you hear me now?
Yeah, you're still kind of robotic. Maybe leave and join again.
Dude, it might be because
Oh, I think you're good now.
I'm holding my mic.
Yeah, you're good now.
Okay, cool. I'm like holding it like a podcast, bro.
Oh, I forgot about that. That shit broke.
Yeah, shit broke, bro.
But yeah, try and go really like just find a way to get some connects to that 15-minute. I'm not convinced because this gap is still holding. It's not enough for me to look downside just yet. I want to see NQ give up this gap. And this 4 hour, I want to see how this 4 hour closes. If this 4 hour is not going to be, it's really gonna tell me a lot. Even if we can come make a move back up and close above C, this 4-hour gap, at least it tells me that we're likely to probably get a run higher. But with this closing like this, looks like we might want lower, especially if NQ could give up this 15-minute gap. This next 15 minutes is going to be very telling.
Yeah, it is. Ooh.
Shit needs time, bro. Telling you, every time I trade London, bro, it's so ass. Like you didn't miss much at all. That long that I took
I
was
miss nothing.
that long that I took was way after, bro. It was like 2-3 hours ago.
I remember like in November, you were like taking
Asia, yeah, because he was moving.
Asia longs like right when it opened almost. Yeah, but it was moving. That shit was cooking, bro.
I know I cook so hard in November every session, bro. I'm not even joking. November was my best consistent month in terms of all sessions, consistency day to day. I think it was my best month of the year. Not even due to PNL, just the fact that I was just consistent in every session, every trade that I took was just bang after bang after bang, literally.
Mm-hmm.
We're getting a reaction off this 15-minute gap. Honestly, bro, if this 1 minute flips, I'm gonna be really interested to maybe even jab long and kind of
Yeah,
anticipate
I
this
think
this
I
four
think
hour
long.
close.
That's. I prefer long over short, to be honest.
Me too.
That's why like you could have like shorted ES 15-minute, but it's like I don't know. It doesn't look like a reversal yet. That's
No, it
my
doesn't.
main
No,
thing.
no, no. It's not. It's still early. I want to see really ES get a closure over this gap. That's really what I want to see since it's weaker. But I still think it's still early.
Yeah.
Got a tiny 5-minute gap on ES.
Can you hear me good? Like right here? I set it down. Or am I too low?
What'd you say?
Can you hear me good?
Yeah,
Like
yeah, you're fine.
from here? Okay. The fucking mic is so heavy.
This divergence is pretty big. I can't lie. It's 0.5%.
Typically, ES has been a stronger one.
Yeah, it was this morning, or like 2 hours ago.
Just
Morning, afternoon, bro. I don't even know what fucking time zone I'm in anymore. I really don't know.
I feel like just in general too.
Yeah.
Let's see. Yeah, like just higher time frame.
Still needs more time for me. That's what's gonna
We're
make
about to be
it.
here for a minute, brother.
That's what's gonna make it difficult. Is we're stuck between these. Like ES flipped its gap and Q still holding its gap. Like it's gonna take a minute, I think. Like I can't be short biased unless this 15-minute gap flips for me. I just can't. Is it Desi?
Yeah, I'm just on Instagram.
I'm dead.
You're weird. I missed a non-influencer, Desi. That's just playing.
Bro, I might have to download like Minecraft or some shit. Start playing Minecraft while these opening ranges do their thing, bro. Every stream, no cap.
Have you ever played Terraria?
No, but that sounds hella familiar. Very.
Yeah, it's like the 2D version of Minecraft. I don't like got into it not
So,
too long ago.
bro,
It's actually pretty fun. It's kind of complicated though.
that shit looks a little ghetto. I can't even lie.
What, Terraria?
It looks like Walmart Minecraft.
Dude, it's so much better though. I know it looks like it, but it's so much better.
You're lying.
I promise you it's so much better, bro. Is it just me? Like anybody in chat play Terraria?
I don't know.
Where did your chat go, bro? What the fuck?
I don't know.
Oh, there it is. Open panel.
Chat, what are we thinking here?
Thinking long, dude.
I'm thinking upside for sure. This is looking pretty good. We have 7 minutes until this closure. The only thing is that ES is not correlating, but if we can just get a good push towards, I mean, it's asking for a lot in the next 6 minutes, but if we can get a good push into that gap and then flip on NQ, I think that'd be good enough, especially seeing the structure's holding pretty well here.
Equal high is above us too.
Yeah, those relative equal highs look really nice.
Yeah. $68. What are we looking at?
Want to see this ES gap get flipped as well.
Take 4 con.
Oh my god, I just went on Instagram. Some guy made a video how I fucked up my life, and then he's showing all his videos or his logs of combines, bro, of him just spending on
Oh my
combines.
God.
Like I'm talking about like some serious shit, bro. Yo, this is crazy.
How I fucked up my life
Well,
is
this is wait,
crazy.
hold on.
I fucked my life up. You're not fucking the worst trader of all time and lost 40K to profits.
40K?
40K? Zero payouts?
But I did it because I wanted the max allocation of 25K, and I ended up throwing all these accounts right after this.
Bro,
Shit's so crazy, bro. I'm in 12.5K worth of debt. This is one of my loans.
oh my
And then
god.
the other one we have for
Chat,
$1,000.
if I ever hear someone that literally goes into debt to buy evals or uses it on like or like borrowing money, bro, that's crazy work. All right,
It's crazy work,
dude.
brother.
If you don't know what you're doing, you're using credit cards to trade. That is the dumbest thing you could ever fucking do. Period. Even if you do know what you're doing, I still wouldn't abuse credit cards like that.
That's almost like that's almost like taking a credit card, cashing it out, and taking it to the casino, bro.
Bro, it's over leveraging your own capital because you don't have it. It's not yours. You're managing someone else's money and you don't have the skill set.
Yeah.
The reason you don't have
Pretty
money
fucked.
money for evals is because you suck. So there's a problem there, right? You can't go borrowing money from credit cards, banks, and shit to fucking buy evals and then go into debt. That is the crazy shit I've ever heard, bro. That's worse than blowing your options port like multiple times.
No, it is. It is. It really is. And that shit hurt me, bro. Oh my god.
Oh yeah,
I
bro.
remember those days.
That shit is demoralizing.
Trading live, putting your last $1,000 in, and just blowing
Oh my
it,
god.
bro.
Oh my god. Within like days too. Like it was that.
Dude, it'd be one bet a week, bro. You're
Bro,
cooked.
I'm telling you.
I'm looking at long here. If we could
I don't
close
know.
a bit higher.
I don't like how we're moving like this. It's not a good move off this low. I think we might even run the low one more time. On ES specifically. Yeah, 3 minutes.
Yeah, yes, looks kind of wax.
And this is my bank balance. As you can see, I only even got a single dollar in my account. I'm in 7,800.
Not a single
Whoa.
dollar? Yo.
He has 1 cent in his student savings and negative 131 is checking and then a 50K. Bro, I feel bad. Like, dude, like this is the
I got into it.
this is the problem is people are treating this shit like it's a fucking, like how entitled you gotta be to like be like, yo, like I don't know what I'm doing, so I'm gonna borrow money to, like that's crazy, bro.
That's pretty nuts.
I'd rather DoorDash daily than do that be 100%. And plus you'll value the money way more because you're actually working for it and you're expensing it like your own capital. Instead of just swiping the credit card, oh, $500 here, $500 there. Next thing you know, you're down a couple $1,000. You still don't even know what you're doing. That shit is not it. And that is not the first time I've seen that with the credit card stuff and the going in debt. Like bro, going in debt trading is crazy. And you didn't have this problem when you were trading fucking cash accounts for the most part starting out. Like you didn't have people who didn't know what they were doing, like putting money in their Webull with credit cards. Like it was impossible.
Yeah, it's because you can transact for an account.
Yeah. What's good, bro? What's
Yeah,
good?
that's crazy.
What's good?
That's crazy work, bro. What was that candle?
Let's see
What
what
the fuck was that?
Price wants to do. Pretty boring open so far, I can't lie. Move up, move down.
Yeah.
Slow melt up. I think we do make one more leg lower. It looks like this does not look like price is really having a reaction upside just yet.
This looks like it's just sitting here. It's not really doing anything. 10 a.m. is right here. I haven't even checked the calendar. PMI.
Yeah, with PMO. It's not gonna do shit though. I don't know if ES.
Oh,
Okay, or it's gonna just go. If ES flips his gap, my interest is picking up. And Q closed above CE. We're still respecting this gap. ES is just too lacking behind.
let's see. Yeah. Yeah, yes.
Your audio again. Making a post about it and telling the public Batman couldn't get that info. Bro, I feel you. But the thing is, I respect it, bro. Honestly, you're just being truthful because it's spreading awareness to other people who are like in the either going down that path or thinking about it. Because, bro, it's just stupid. It's stupid. Do not take out fucking money that's not yours.
Am I still robotic?
Talk again?
Uh,
No,
hello?
no.
What's it called? Oh yeah, because I know how like it feels like everything on the internet like seems like everybody's making money, right? That's what it's seemingly like that from like a regular person doesn't know. Like so you go like blowing money on evals because you think you can take out a 25K,
Oh
40K
yeah.
payout like easily, right? So that's the trap they try to put you in.
Especially when you're trading in these conditions, bro. Oh my god. I just can't even imagine. Some people
Yeah,
were
literally.
getting absolutely smoked. All right, I want to see how ES closes here. I'm still hesitant to jab long just yet. We still have this divergence. We have no wick on this 5-minute candle either. Really do like longs, but I need to see this ES, I think, start to flip. It's gonna be very long, weird long in the highs up here like this, bro. No wick on this candle either. I mean, if we were to take something like this,
You want to take it on ES?
non-NQ. I don't like this invalidation point. I want to see this. I want to see a deeper retrace to come clear out this wick that we just created. We didn't close over that gap on ES just yet either.
Okay.
What a lame range, bro. In the 30 minutes, we haven't made a single 5-minute gap. That is just insane work.
Okay, buddy. Let's bring it down. Fucking yeah, on this, grind it back up.
Yo, what's good, Trap? What's good, bro?
See you in there?
He's in the chat.
Oh, he's in. Okay, okay. That's like this stuff. Bring it back up.
Your mic, your mic. All right, if we put in this BPR here and this flips, I'm longing this. Could even use this invalidation down here. Target these highs is what I really like. I want to see this BPR flip on both. Once again, good. NY open PA, bro. It's so chopped. So chopped.
I should be good. I'm on my phone now.
Oh, yeah, you're good.
Yeah, you're good.
I can only hear myself. Just make sure you put on earbuds or something.
You can hear yourself?
Yeah.
Oh.
I don't really have a problem with this, especially if ES can close above its 1 minute gap. I do like this a lot. Yeah, I'm most likely gonna hop in this if it's closed above. He points to stop 84. Alright, I'm in this, guys. I'm trying it. Alright, I am filled at 54.25. Alright, I want to see ES push above this gap. And then it should be good to go. All right, like this ES close here. I want to see this start to go towards high day now. I'm turn off the music for now. I want to see us get this push over high day and then NQ obviously to start leading towards that draw. We're gonna look to probably go break even probably once. Trying to see what's a good target to really go break even. I really have much time to plan out this. I think 010 is a pretty good area. All right, there we go. Very nice. Who's in these longs, baby? Let's go. I want to see a good push towards high day here. On ES. I am up 40 points.
I gotta grab the headphones from my whip real quick.
There you go.
Check DM stuff.
I will. Let's see if we can get high day here pretty soon. Look at this 4-hour high at 010 that I was talking about. We'll probably get pushed into this area. My order got rejected since I hit daily loss. Oh shit. Let's see. ES high of day. Who took these longs? Pretty choppy open. I can't lie. We stayed patient, waited for what we need to see, and that's it.
Okay, you hear me now, brother?
Yeah.
All right, cool. I got my headphones on.
Probably get this push into like CEO this week.
Yeah, I got a little bit of an early entry, but I had to sit through a little bit more.
Yeah, it's all good.
Your entry's good.
You're in there. W. Let's see. Really need to see ES high day here, get a good closure and get a push. Otherwise, this SMT could hold in this gap. But we look pretty strong. It's just that ES has to start to pick up. It's kind of dragging NQ, but I think since we're kind of rebalancing to this area, if we start to get a good push, then I'm gonna go probably break even pretty soon. We should get a jump if we are gonna take high day here. Solid morning. Yeah, it's been all right for me personally.
It's just the formation is just weird. It's not super clean.
Appreciate you,
But
Space, bro. Take care. Yeah, so a little bit odd.
yeah, this is see if I bang like those equal highs out there, that's a 2.5 for me.
W.
You're an ES, right? Or NQ?
NQ. All right, ES just took high a day, which is pretty good. I want to see a good push past here.
Hello?
Yo. See if we get a good push. Yo.
There you go. Okay. I don't know what's going on today, bro. It looks healthy. Looks healthy here.
Yes, sir.
If we can expand off the significant like wick that we put in, I think.
This is gonna be interesting.
Let's see.
I don't like this reaction off high day. We retrace very aggressively on NQ. I don't want to go break even just yet.
Yeah.
I want to see this respect this area.
I'm break even, but I have a much lower entry.
I think I'm gonna go break even here,
I-
guys. Because we tapped this area twice. I don't want to see us come back.
Yeah, I think that's good.
Because if this could easily just come back down. We follow the plan. We saw a good push past high day, not good enough. And then we just sort of come back down. If we didn't take high day, I would have never went break even.
Yeah, it's just gonna be one of those days where it's gonna throw a random curveball at you and then kind of chill there and
I know.
uh,
Now ES is starting to lead. Or is trying to. So I mean, bro, you can't fucking long the stronger asset. You gotta long the weaker one. Like that's the most logical fucking thing there is. Better RR, better movement, 99 pace, 99 shooting, 99 agility. Bro, that's how fucking ES be moving, bro. Like what the fuck? We did just we could be opening up like a 15-minute breakaway gap here if we start to go, which I'd like to see. I don't want to see this gap get retraced into. Chilling near high day. Bro, it's crazy. We're up 40 points, at least for me, and it doesn't even feel like it. Because we're just moving so much.
yeah, literally, bro.
Doesn't even feel like it.
I wonder where the 10-point stop loss fixed people are. Yeah, I always run a 10-point stop. They say.
I'm dead. Yo.
God, bro. They make it so obvious, bro. Like,
I know. Alright, good push here.
you timed the break even pretty perfectly, bro. Yeah, if we get a nice push here, we can trail a little bit.
That was a perfect fucking BE, bro. That was like, that is some face clan
Yeah,
shit, bro. No cap.
literally.
That's like some top
Ill cams.
respect moments. Top
Yeah.
soccer game respect.
Soccer game respect. Yo, those edits have me crying, bro.
Oh my god.
Yo, who's your team? Like, are you like a Madrid fan or a Barca
Oh, I'm
fan?
a Barca fan.
Me too.
Good.
Hardcore.
Good.
Yeah, right? Yo, it's so funny, yo. Twitter, or not Twitter, but TikTok and Twitter will never be satisfied, bro. Like those, bro. You're on either side, bro.
Bro, I know.
There's no in between, bro. Do you think Lamine Yamal will be like one of the top greats footballers?
I don't know. I got to see how the next 2 years go because his ego is starting to get to him a little bit.
Is it actually like is that true?
Oh yeah, that's what happened to Neymar, bro. That dude, he got some clouded
But
judgment,
didn't he
bro.
tear his didn't he tear his ACL? That's what
Bro,
ruined his
he
career.
tore a bunch of things, but that's not even the point. Like the dude got carried away with a lot, and his move to PSG was probably one of the best moves. And then he kind of screwed himself because PSG is just not a good management club at all, bro. They're just horrible. They ruin players, bro. They literally do. They ruined Mbappe, my opinion. I mean,
Really?
look how Mbappe's doing now at Real is way better. What's good, Dylan? Welcome, bro. How are you? Damn, we're almost up 100 points, and it doesn't even feel like it.
How much am I up? Hold on, let me see.
Damn, you got a goaded ass
I'm
still.
up 120, bro.
God damn. I'm not taking a single partial until near these highs. I mean, we do have 50% as a wick area.
It's a nice move. Just the entry was just tricky.
Yeah.
That's all. It's clearly drawing to equal highs, like you could tell by these candles how they're expanding
Yes, sir.
with that magnet. The little magnet. Let's get the razor out, bro.
I'm trailing my stops to 995. It's OB down here. We have a little gap put in. Shouldn't see that big of a retracement. This should just start to go.
Yeah. You can see it literally looks like a parabolic move. It shouldn't retrace very much, honestly. I'm cooking, bro. I don't. It's just so beautiful. Like the move itself wasn't bad. The entry was just annoying. 25 100 is target, right? That's like perfect target.
Well, let's fucking go. Let's go,
Yeah,
chat.
shit's cooking. That's a W
Let's
trade.
fucking go. Bro, I'm trying to hype myself up. I'm not even fucking hyped. That's the craziest part, bro. I'm capping out of my ass right now, bro. I could care less. Like, I'm not even joking. I'm trying to hype myself up. I'm not even hyped. It's just I don't even want to say it's a normal day in a nonchalant way, but it's just like nothing excites me no more.
Posted in the Discord. I haven't been active in there, to be honest. MIA. Are you gonna leave a runner? I don't
Yeah.
think so.
No, oh no. Absolutely not.
Yeah, I mean, I don't see a point, dude, to be honest. Just knowing how we are when we take highs and take lows. Just fucking buy the lows. Something like. Dude, isn't that crazy that like 4 micros is paying 12?
I
This is
know.
probably gonna pay like $1,400 on 4 micros.
Crazy.
Imagine somebody trying to trade a live account with like a couple hundred dollars, bro. Like, yo, it cooked.
Oh.
So my brother-in-law is like a he's not my brother-in-law, he's my stepbrother. Um he's like he does like software development or whatever. He's gonna make me like a TradeZella journal
That's fire.
and like a position calculator that's like personal. It's like it has its own URL in the spreadsheet.
That's fire.
So yeah, it's pretty good. Pretty cool.
Alright,
He's showing me. He made it all with AI, bro.
yeah, bro. Take this TP, baby.
All
Come
right.
on.
Oh, we're right there. A cool 15 points away, boys.
I'm gonna say if you have PTSD, close.
Dude, I ain't gonna lie, bro. It'll probably do it to us too. Nah, it is what it is, though, bro. At this point, I'm gonna trail. I'm just gonna trail tight, close like 25-20. Give those fair value guys a chance.
Yeah, we get a little retrace here, probably even maybe back to this gap and then go. Desi Ray. Oh, let's go.
Oh,
The
let's
GOAT,
go,
Desi. Welcome everybody. What's good?
my
What's
boy.
good? Desi's the GOAT. Let's go.
Hi, Desi.
Let's go, baby.
Hi, Desi's chat. What's up? What's up?
What's good, everybody? We just
Oh, we're
caught
about to
this
hit.
banger long. You guys missed it.
Oh, we're about to hit
Full TP,
target here.
baby.
Oh, there it
Let's
is.
fucking go. All right, let's go, chat. Let's go.
Oh, dude, 1400 on 4 micros
Let's
is
go,
crazy.
baby. Appreciate you, Desi. Appreciate you, bro.
W.
What a
Yo,
long.
W raid.
W rated at the perfect time, bro. Full fucking
Yeah,
TP.
perfect time,
Let's
bro.
go.
Full TP.
Let's go. Let's go, baby. I'll break down the trade that we took. For people who just joined. I don't know if you guys took it. Let me mod. Yeah, how do I mod? Add as moderator. Got you. So basically, we took this BPR invalidation that we took, right? We put in a bearish BPR. We longed here. We saw ES close above this gap as well. Obviously, NQ being the stronger asset into these relative equal highs that we wanted to see. Anticipating for this move to kind of inverse this 4-hour gap, which obviously looks like we're going to do. Let's go, baby. It feels pretty refreshing. I'm not going to lie, guys. This market has been very, very difficult. Overall, as you guys know, with conditions that we've been trading in, feels pretty refreshing to have something just go with no drawdown straight to TP. How you guys been? A lot of new faces. Some people from Desi's community as well. Hope that makes sense. Appreciate you, Slim Trady. I like that name, bro. That's kind of fire. Freddy, what's good, bro? How are you? Appreciate you guys.
That was a good entry. That was good management on that trade for sure.
Don't worry, guys. I got Desi's Hookah Lounge music. I got it queued for you guys right here. This should be putting me right to sleep. I really wanted to see this 4-hour get inversed on that candle closure, but I had pretty good conviction seeing we're holding this 15-minute gap initially, and then obviously we're kind of flip-flopping back and forth with this opening range move, and then once I saw this BPR invalidate, I really like those equal highs. I was unfunded.
For me, it was like you see overnight price come down, and then obviously in London we start coming up. We break the London high, and we hold, and we have that 15-minute gap. As long as we stay above it, like we're still bullish. We're even talking about there was like short setups to take, but it didn't look like a reversal yet. So we just stayed hands off until we got the longs.
Yeah. We were kind of
So-
flip-flopping back and forth in the first 30. What we want to see, right? We saw this 15-minute go inverse on ES, which
that didn't give me enough bear bias, right, for more downside because we were still holding this NQ 50-minute gap, right? Especially since we had an opening reaction off that move. I wanted to see this gap flip down in order for me to confirm more downside. A trade that I did take in the overnight as well was a pretty lucky trade because it was off of news, but it was the same kind of idea off the 5-minute. We had a BPR that invalidated here, as you can see in structure. I could drag this out. Right, and then once we kind of got this retrace into this area is where I took a 1-minute long into these highs up here. And we did hit it on NQ first, so I ended up closing right away because we literally had this huge like 100-point pump on NQ out of nowhere. It's kind of crazy. We go live again tomorrow? Yeah, I will be live again tomorrow. I started posting trade recaps on my channel as well. I'm starting to get more active on socials. Sinj and I have been trading with Desi for a few years. You guys might know me from Desi's community. Seen London trade, but on NQ, W.
Same, yeah, I mean, same thing here. I was in a lot of his lives, like, I don't know if it was last year
bro,
or
the
2 years ago.
Discord. Oh my god, the Discord lies.
Yeah. We're not strangers. We've been here a long time. Long time. When you see people leave all the time, we've always been here.
Bro, you guys don't realize how good you have it when you guys are watching Desi trade live. You guys really don't understand. Like back in the day, the shit that we had to deal with a bunch of
Not accessible.
it's not even that. It's the mentors out there were so garbage. There's no one that does it like Desi. Like deadass. Live on stream for you guys every single day. That man wakes up at the crack of dawn and puts on a performance.
Like,
Yeah. I don't know. Would you prefer trading at 6 a.m.?
hell no.
6:30?
Hell no.
I don't know. I feel like I would though. I'm just an early bird in general.
Hell
You
no.
know, like in Greece, I was always trying to go to sleep. I ain't gonna lie. It's too late for me. It's too late. I didn't even notice the hookers was touching me, bro.
Oh my god, bro. What was I gonna say? Right now I'm in Greece, so right now it's what time is it? 5:30. I've been here for a month and a half, and I'm staying for another month and a half. Total 3 months. Just kind of vibing out. Chilling. Start joining streams on London, man. What's up, Europe? My London streams are gonna be kind of 50-50. It's gonna be kind of. I don't know if I'm gonna set a defined schedule. I'm gonna try my best to stream London for sure though. I just started today, literally. Today is my first day streaming on YouTube. Today, literally, right now. I traded London live before. We did take a first L on a 15-minute inversion to the downside, which we got stopped out on. And then I flipped long, took the long into the highs.
American, Greek American. I'm in Spain. Fire, bro.
Where in Spain? Yeah, what's your favorite football team, bro? All right, London streams it is, baby. Let's get it. Let's do it. Let's do it, Desi. Let's do it. We gotta get the boy Ruben up in the calls too. Alicante. That's a nice place. Isn't that like super touristy too? Living here for 1 year now. How do you like it? Are you a Barca fan or a Madrid fan? This is the goal. He walk on all fours. Yes, sir, bro. Desi's 1 of 1. Bro, that name is so fire. Slim Trady. Yo, that shit is so tough. Fucking great. That's dope, man. I love Europe. I come to Greece pretty frequently. I was here in the summer for like 5 weeks. on vacation, but now I came in to Greece for 3 months to kind of just lock in, focus on myself. Looking tired. I'm exhausted, bro. I have not slept. Guys, I literally didn't get an hour of sleep. No joke, but we are dialed. But honestly, in terms of the rest of the day, I don't really know what to expect. We are up almost 1.5%. We're tapping into this BPR area. We could start to see a move back into the range, possibly into these gaps, obviously, to see if we're going to continue higher or not. I would like to see a 15-minute gap put in, and from there we can kind of evaluate what we want to do. But in terms of trades, I'm probably going to be risk off since I've taken 3 trades so far, combining both sessions. But we can kind of just tape read something if something pops up. All right, good, bro. I was gonna say, if you were Madrid, then we got a problem. Then your name is not so tough no more. Barca it is, bro. You ever been to a Barca game before? I woke up on Monday morning at 5 a.m. and it's now Wednesday, 7:30 a.m. I slept for 2 hours the last 50 hours. Holy shit. Wait, 2 hours last 50 hours? Oh shit. Jeez, bro. Sleep last night after London stream. I appreciate you guys sticking around. Seriously, you guys are dope. And this is a goat for rating me. Rating me, not rating. Clean up charts. Appreciate you, bro. I didn't know Desi has some Greek viewers, bro. That's kind of fucking comedy. Let's see how we're gonna move. We create a 15-minute gap. I gotta cop these Tradeify accounts, bro. Does anybody know what percent? Is it 30 or 40? I think I looked before. It's 30. Maybe they'll run a 40% for like Easter or something. I mean, it's not that big of a price difference, to be honest. I want to get 5 select accounts. I want to get 2 with the daily payout ones, and then the rest, the weekly ones or whatever it is. Has anyone tried the select accounts here? I haven't used Tradeify too much, to be honest with you. I did use their straight to funded accounts at one point in time, and they were pretty solid, but I mean, they're straight to funded. They're 20% consistency, and they're not that great. But in terms of payout policy and all that stuff is good. Did my flip. Payout, receive last night. W, bro. Requesting. Good shit, Moski. Good stuff, bro. Congrats on the payout. You've been killing it. If you guys have any questions, just always feel free to ask. It could be trading related, not trading related, doesn't matter. We're just vibing. Here we go, we're getting this move back into the range now. Like like we're anticipating. Tradeify is 30%, so I assume there might be something new. I think it'll be like an Easter sale. Isn't Easter like... I know when my Easter is because I'm Orthodox. April 5th. Yeah, they're probably gonna run an Easter sale. I think they usually do, if I remember correctly, or like a spring holiday sale. Is your training style like Desi? It's kind of a mix, to be honest with you. If you guys know Lanto and Desi, kind of a mix of both. I trade mostly continuations. I'm very patient with the opening range move, and that's really how I kind of trade. It's just continuations off the opening range moves. I look for 5 and 15-minute structure. Look for your 1-minute IFEG entry. Use a valid swing point for a stop. Target liquidity. That's it. It's very simple. Nothing crazy. Probably be one because Easter is beginning of April. Yep, that's what I'm thinking, bro. What do you see as a difference in style, Desi and Lanto? From what I see, is Desi tends to be more of kind of an anticipation trader. Me, I'm very heavy on confirmation because it just makes sense for how I trade. I like to react to how price is kind of moving, rather than try to anticipate too much. That's just very psychology and technical based. They kind of tie together, right? I always say when you're developing a model or trying to find a model that works for you, always find something that kind of makes sense to your personality, right? Because I know when I take a trade and I take all the confluences that I need in confirmations, if I put on risk on that trade and it gets stopped out, it doesn't bother me because I know I did what I could do, right? Compared to if I was to take something that I'm trying to anticipate a certain move, right? Especially with reversals and things of that, right? Counter trend trades for me, putting on risk, it makes me a little bit more antsy that it doesn't fit my personality, right? Some people, they like the high RR. For me, I don't like it. It's not my trading style. The higher RR, I don't want to say high RR like we're talking about 1 to 8 RR here. But I will be making more YouTube videos. Right now my education's pretty basic, but I'm gonna be working pretty in depth, on more videos and uploading more. So if you guys want to subscribe and stick around, feel free. Always anticipate with a negative R rough plan. You got to really analyze what you're taking and why you're taking it, and what kind of confluences you're looking for. Some people look for too much confirmation, right? And that kind of gives them like analysis paralysis, which is not good. Or you find yourself hesitating on too many trades. You get conflicted and you don't press the button. Keep it very, very simple. Draw on liquidity, structure, invalidation points, and entries. That's it. That could be any way you want. You could use order blocks, you could use gaps, you can use just anything. I'm not discretionary too much with entries. I focus on mainly imbalances, but there's a lot of people who are more discretionary. To be honest with you, I think I'm gonna wrap it up here. To be honest with you, we are closing back in this range. I mean, we took what we needed to see for the day, right? We got that opening range continuation. There's really not much else after this draw was taken for me, right? Everything else is kind of up in the air. We can either continue higher into this BPR area, right? Possibly, you know, into this ES high if we want to continue towards the end of the day. You know, push higher in this BPR, or we could fall back into the range, you know, and take out some liquidity that we have generated with this opening range move. But for me, that high probability target is done, and that's really what I look for. Once that target is taken, that's it. That's my move for the day, right? Hit or miss. But I think that'll pretty much wrap it up for me, and I will catch you guys. Appreciate you guys sticking by from Desi. Appreciate Desi once again. And I hope you guys have a good rest of your day, and I will talk to you guys tomorrow.